Picture this. You've just moved to Germany and you're starting to settle into your new life. One of the first things you'll need to do is complete your Anmeldung. But what is Anmeldung, you ask? Well, it's a mandatory address registration required by law for all residents in Germany, no matter where you're from. It's not just a formality, it's your golden ticket to access many essential services. We're talking about opening a bank account, getting a tax ID, and even signing up for health insurance. So, it's pretty important to get this done, and done right. Now that we know what Anmeldung is and why it's necessary, let's dive into the process. Completing your Anmeldung might seem daunting, but it's actually quite straightforward. Let's break it down. First things first, book an appointment at the Bürgeramt. How do you do that? Well, you can do it online or by calling 115 or even by sending an email to your local Bürgeramt. It's a good idea to check for available slots during weekdays between 8 in the morning and 5 in the evening. Next, get your documents in order. You'll need proof of identity, like your passport or ID card. Then, fill out a registration form, which you can get online. And don't forget the confirmation of your move-in from your landlord, aka Wohnungsgeberbestätigung. These documents are crucial, so make sure you have them ready. Now, the day of your appointment. Arrive a few minutes early, just to be on the safe side. And here's a tip. If you're not fluent in German, consider bringing a friend or a translator along. It will make the process smoother and less stressful. Once you've submitted your documents at the Bürgeramt, you will receive an Anmeldebestätigung, which is a confirmation of your registration. Check the information on the confirmation carefully. Mistakes can happen, and it's better to catch them early. If this is your first registration, you can expect a tax ID by post within 2 to 4 weeks. And remember, it's important to register within 14 days of moving in. Although this rule isn't strictly enforced in Berlin, it's better to be safe than sorry. And there you have it. With these steps, you're well on your way to successfully completing your Anmeldung. Let's quickly recap the key points of the Anmeldung process. To begin with, remember to book your appointment at the Bürgeramt as soon as you have your new address. Always come prepared with all the necessary documents, and don't forget to arrive a few minutes early. After submitting your documents, patiently wait for your Anmeldebestätigung, which confirms your new address. The importance of registering your address within 14 days of moving in cannot be overstated. Even if this rule isn't strictly enforced in Berlin, remember, the Anmeldung is a crucial part of settling into your new life in Germany. With preparation and patience, you can navigate this process smoothly. Good luck!